To learn and pronounce new words is a great way to expand your vocabulary and to increase your ability to communicate at a higher level, whether English is your native language or not. Today's word of the day, conundrum, will only take about a minute or two to learn so that you can start using it right away. Conundrum is pronounced ca-nun-drum. Conundrum. A basic definition of conundrum is that it is a confusing and difficult problem or question to answer or solve. Conundrum can also be defined as a mystery that seemingly has no possible solution. When conundrum is used in a sentence as a noun, it sounds like this. The situation was a real conundrum for any rational person to figure out. It can be a real conundrum when two people who do not speak the same language meet and try to have a conversation. The solution to the problem was a real conundrum for the students in the advanced honors quantum mechanics class. The process of how to apply for a loan was a conundrum for the newly married couple. Some synonyms or similar words to conundrum are problem, puzzle, riddle, anagram, dilemma, enigma, brain teaser, paradox, head scratcher, challenge, complication, disorder, misadventure, mishap, turmoil, absurdity, hiccup, booby trap, fly in the ointment, and catch-22. Some antonyms or opposites of conundrum are solution, success, agreement, confidence, and breakthrough. There are no other words for conundrum. However, it can be used in a plural form as conundrums. The teacher purposefully created a series of conundrums for the students to raise their level of how to resolve challenges on their own. To improve on your correct use of any new words, make sure to use them in conversation as soon and as often as possible. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your support. Remember that my goal is not to create a conundrum for you, but to get you to know and believe that your success is the goal. I'll see you online soon.